Hello students, my name is Siddharth and I am the faculty of mathematics at Rawat Public School. Today in this video we will be learning about one question. We will be solving that good problem here which is based upon the maxima minima from the application of derivatives. So the question says like, prove that the rectangle inscribed a circle has the maximum area if it is a square. This question trying to say here that if you inscribe a rectangle in a circle, however you arrange the rectangle inside doesn't matter, but the area of the rectangle is always less than a square inscribed in a circle. So if I draw the figure for this question, if I say this is my circle here, inside this I have a rectangle. And the area of this rectangle will be maximum when this is not a rectangle, this is a square. Doesn't matter however I arrange number of rectangle inside, the area will always be less than a square that I can arrange inside. So if I see the length of the rectangle is AB, is L, and the breadth is B, this is the center and this is the radius A. I took the radius as A because the A will be considered here as a constant. Because the circle has a fixed radius, we can only change the length and breadth of the rectangle to arrange in other way. We can change the length and breadth, not the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is something fixed here. So length is L and the breadth is B. If I use the triangle ABC and apply the Pythagoras theorem here, I can say that 2a square will be equals to L square plus B square, and from here the B will be equal to root of 4a square minus L square, right? What we are going to prove here that we will consider area as maximum. In that case, this is not a rectangle, this should be a square, and this can be a square only when the length is equal to the breadth. So we are going to prove whether the length is equal to breadth or not. So the area of the rectangle is A is equal to length into breadth. Length is L and the breadth is root 4a square minus L square. And now if you want to see the change in this area dA by dL, u dot v, product rule we can apply here. I am keeping L, differentiating this 1 upon 2 root x, and inside the root we have L square which will give us minus 2L. Now I am keeping this as a constant, root 4a square minus L square, and differentiation of L is 1. Now this 2 and 2 cancel, we can take the LCM here. So my dA upon dL will be equal to root 4a square minus L square minus 2L minus L square and plus this without the root, because this will be multiplied square minus L square minus 2L square upon root 4A square minus L square. So this is dA by dL. Now if the area is maximum and we need the value of length here, what we can do, we can find dA upon dL equal to 0. This is for L. What the value of it? dA should be equal to 0. Let's keep this equal to 0. 4A square minus 2L square upon root 4A square minus L square equal to 0. In that case, this goes to 0 and only this is left. From here, A is equal to 1 by 2 L square. You can see A square will be equal to 2L square by 4. So 2 and 4 will be cancelled. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 L square. We got this one. Or if I want a relation between L and B, whether they are equal or not, if the area is maximum, whether these two are equal or not, I want the relation between length and breadth. So from here, the value of A square I can put into the equation 1 to find the value of B. Let's find out. Let's find out here. I'll use this space. B is equal to root of 4A square. In place of A square, I can put this right. Half L square minus L square. B is equal to root. This is cancelled 2 times 2L square minus L square. B is equal to L square and B is equal to L. So now here the breadth and the length are equal. Only in that case the area can be maximum. So it doesn't matter what kind of rectangle you are drawing inside the circle, the area will be maximum for a square always. In that case, the length should be equal to the breadth. This was supposed to be proven here, and we have proven that the length is equal to breadth. That means the inscribed quadrilateral must be a square to obtain the maximum area. Thank you.